We usually say that one of the reasons your soul came into this physical world, it is to have what we call human experiences. Now, the human experiences include facing both the light side of life and even the shadow part of life. And this means what? In this life, no matter who you are, no matter what journey that you take, you're going to experience the both sides of life. Your life will not just be about light, and your life will not just be about darkness. There will be a balance in what that you face in this life. And one thing that you need to understand, when we talk about the dark side of life, we are not talking about bad things. We are not talking about things that are going to destroy your body or even the soul. We are talking about the things that usually give meaning to the light. For example, when you experience pain, that pain usually strengthens you. That pain usually gives you endurance and even give you lessons. Because now that pain, if you experience now the light, because of the pain, you're going to understand the value of the light. Now, the human experiences include things like pain, healing, love, joy, guilt, shame. All of these are human experiences, high and low vibrational emotions. They are very necessary for the journey of the soul because it is the soul that chose this life in order for the soul to experience this life while still inside the physical body, in order for the soul to be born out of the womb using the physical body. Because remember, when it comes to the soul, you are the soul, not the body. The soul, it is the spark of the divine, a portion of the universal consciousness. And this means what? You are the divine. You have divine energy within you, and that is why we say the power of God is within us. By God, we mean the divine, the highest form of consciousness. You are the universe experiencing itself. Now, in this section, I want us to talk about something that is called healing and even pain. Now, when it comes to this world, you cannot experience spiritual growth without healing. And when it comes to healing, healing can be defined in many words. Healing can be a form of overcoming the pain. Healing can be a form of letting go, detaching, letting go the emotional wounds, the traumas, the emotional baggage, or things that do not serve you while still in the physical dimension. When it comes to healing, we have different types of healing. There is the physical healing, there is the emotional healing, there is the mental healing, psychological healing, and even what we call spiritual healing. Now, as the soul continues with its own journey, the soul will come across all these types of healing, all these forms of healing, in a stage that we call the healing stage. And you will come to understand that you cannot grow well, you cannot experience that growth without healing. So everybody in their own journey, they will experience a different form of healing. If you're not going to experience the physical healing, you're going to experience spiritual healing. If it is not spiritual healing, then mental, psychological, or even emotional. And how are you going to understand when you are experiencing healing, when you are undergoing in a certain healing stage, when you are in this stage of healing? How do you even tell right now that you are experiencing healing? If you are experiencing healing, there will be signs. In this world, you are always guided in what we call divine guidance. Some people are guided by their ancestors. Some people are guided by the soul. Some people are guided by the universal energy. And some people by what we call the spiritual helpers, the spiritual allies, their spirit guides. Now, in most cases, you're going to experience even signs in dreams. And this is where I want to talk about. This is where the main topic of today is. You are going to experience all these forms of dreams, different dreams that talk about healing. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you 20 different types of dreams that shows that you are undergoing healing. So when you experience this kind of dreams, you're going to know that it is your time to heal. The first healing dream that you're going to experience as you are passing through your healing stage, it is a dream that has to do with healing animals, especially the snake. In most cases, when you go to religion, dreams that has to do with snakes has always been demonized. But the snake, it is all about healing. And that is why when you look at the hospital logo, there is a snake. The United Nations logo, there is a snake. Even the god of healing in ancient Greece usually carried the snake sign. Now, when it comes to the snake, in most cases, the snake usually represents healing, transformation, and even rebirth. In most cases, you will be seeing the snake in your dream shedding its own skin. That is a sign of letting go. That is a sign of renewal. Letting go the old wounds, letting go the emotional traumas, and even the attachment in order for you to become a new version of yourself. Because remember, in this world, you always shift from one version to another. You always shift. You always leave your old version and become a new version. If you grow, that is when you become a new version. Now, the snake shedding its skin, the old skin represent the wounds, the emotional baggage, the traumas, and this is a sign of you to let go in order for you to heal. The second dream that shows you are undergoing through healing, it is a dream that has to do with the golden light. This is where you see yourself surrounded by a golden light. This is where you see yourself bathing with a golden light, walking in places full of golden light, or even walking through a tunnel, and in the end of the tunnel, it is a golden light, or you see a door opening, and then a golden light starts shining from that door. One thing about the golden light, it is linked to the energy of the sun, the solar energy, and even the solar plexus chakra. It is usually linked to vitality and even protection. This one means that when it comes to your energetic field is being strengthened and even repaired, a sign of healing and even protection. The third dream, it is the dream of flowing water. This is where you see things like a flowing river, dams, lakes, waterfalls. But in these waterfalls, in these rivers, the energy is very calm. There is no rapids. There is no noise. It is just calmness. You feel that peace as you walk across that water. You feel that peace as you cross across that river. One thing about water, water usually carries the healing energy. Water represents emotional healing. This is where water usually washes away the pain, the trauma, and even the emotional baggage. Water, it is linked to the emotions and even the subconscious. Water, it is a form of purification, carrying away the negative energy. So when you see yourself crossing across calm waters, it is a sign that your subconscious energy, it is shedding away, it is releasing the traumas, it is rewiring itself in order for you to restore balance. The other dream that is linked to healing, it is a dream of hands radiating light. Have you ever seen your hands inside a dream and you see they are glowing? Have you ever looked at your hand even physically for those people who are psychic and then see these hands that they are glowing? They are radiating some kind of light. This one, it is linked to a healing touch. It is called a healing touch. It is the same as Reiki or even energy healing. Now this one represents your inner awakening or even the universal energy that is channeled through your own hand in order for you to heal or even heal others. The other dream that is linked to healing, it is a dream of crystals. This is where you dream with crystals. Crystals like amethyst, rose quartz, crystals like the black obsidian, crystals like the tiger's eye. You see yourself touching the crystals, interacting with the crystals, or even wearing the crystals. One thing about the crystals usually represent the vibrational energy. Each crystal usually carries a unique frequency when it comes to energy. And when you see yourself wearing the crystal in a dream, it means that your own spirit, it is getting the energy, borrowing the vibrational energy from these crystals in order for the energy of these crystals to heal you. The other dream that is linked to healing, it is flying in your dreams. In most cases, flying in your dreams, it is usually interpreted as a way of your spirit seeking for freedom. But in this case of healing, it is a way of you to release the heavy energy. This means what? When you see yourself flying in your dreams, it means that your spirit, it is raising beyond fear, it is raising beyond limitation and connecting with the healing energy, the high vibrational energy and high consciousness. It is a message from your spirit to raise beyond your limitation, to raise beyond fear, and to vibrate in a higher level that will enable you to heal. The seventh dream that is linked to healing, it is the dream of your ancestors offering blessings to you. That is where you dream with the dead. That is where you interact with one-on-one conversation with the dead in your own dreams. That is where you have spiritual visitations. Now, one thing about ancestral dreams, they usually represent healing, especially the healing that is linked to generational things, generational curses, generational traumas, and even generational wounds. Their own presence. And if you see them happy, if you see them offering their own blessing, it means that they are there to strengthen your spiritual roots, heal your wounds, heal generational wounds and traumas, and even restore balance within your lineage. The other dream that shows that you are undergoing through healing, you are in your healing stage, it is a dream of fire transformation. That is where you see yourself standing near sacred fire, or you see flames burning your body, but you don't feel the pain. You don't feel the heat. One thing about fire, fire it is linked to transformation. Fire it is linked to renewal. Fire means what? When it comes to you, it is a way of burning the old attachment, the illness, the negativity, the negative attachment, and restoring balance when it comes to your own body, your own spirit, and the general, your own soul. The other dream that is linked to healing, it is a dream of songs and even mantras. That is where you hear sacred chants, the mantras within your dreams, or even you hear sacred songs within your own dreams. One thing about the chants and even the songs, they usually link to sound healing. Sound usually carries vibration. Now this vibration, they usually recalibrate your own energetic field, restoring balance when it comes to your own body, spirit, and even the mind. The other dream that shows you are undergoing through healing, it is a dream where the trees usually embraces you. That is where you see yourself being hugged by a tree or even being sheltered by a tree. Trees usually represent the grounding energy. One thing about the tree, they usually represent stability and even the life force. And it means the what? You are experiencing healing through what we call Earth's nurturing energy. The other dream that is linked to healing, it is a dream where you see a rainbow. Maybe you are walking through a rainbow bridge. Maybe you see a rainbow inside your dream, or even the ground that you are walking has the colors of the rainbow. You are passing through different colors of your own rainbow, or even you see a person with the colors of the rainbow, or even your own body with the colors of the rainbow. One thing about the rainbow and the dream, rainbow in a dream usually represent multidimensional and even spiritual healing. If you look at a rainbow has 7 colors. And when it comes to you, you have 7 energy centers. Those are the 7 chakras, from the root chakra to the crown chakra. And when you look at the colors that usually represent the 7 chakras, they usually correspond with the colors of the rainbow, because the rainbow, it is linked to spiritual healing. It means that you are transforming, you are raising your vibration, you are moving from your lower chakras to your higher chakras. You are moving from the root to the crown. You are in your journey of transformation, raising your own energy. The other dream that is linked to healing, it is a dream where you see yourself walking through healing places. Maybe you see yourself walking inside a forest. You see yourself walking through ancient healing places, sacred places. This is a sign of spiritual initiation. These kind of places, they usually radiate healing energy. And it means that as you are initiated into your own spirituality, you receive healing at the same time. The other dream, it is a dream of spiritual encounters. This is where you usually encounter with certain beings within your own dreams. You can encounter dreams that have a shadow dark figure. You can even encounter with luminous beings, beings that usually radiate light. Now, when you encounter with these kind of beings, it means that you are passing through a healing stage, especially the beings that usually illuminate or radiate the light. These beings, they usually bring that light to you. It means that in your own energetic field, you're not well protected. And the appearance of this being, the radiating light, that light will be entering into your own energetic field. They're there to share the light. The other dream that is linked to healing, it is a dream of cord cutting. What is cord cutting? That is where you usually dream that your own body, it is linked to another body through an energetic cord. a cord that is radiating light. But this cord, you see yourself cutting the cord, or maybe you see another being cutting the cord between you two. This one means what? It is a way of detaching you from whatever that is draining you, from whoever that is draining you, or from the attachment, the things that you don't want to let go. Your spiritual helpers, they are there to help you cut the cord and even detach. The other dream that usually shows you are undergoing through healing, it is a dream of death and rebirth. When it comes to death, this is where you see yourself attending your own funeral. You see yourself being dead and people are mourning you. When it comes to birth, this is where you see people holding a child, but deep inside you, something inside you is telling you that that child is you. Now, dreams of death and rebirth, they usually represent healing, because death, it is a way of letting go the old self, the death of the old self. It is not about physical death. This is about the death of the old self, spiritual death of the old self. Now, in this case, the birth represents your new version, yourself becoming a new version, spiritually, not physically, but spiritually. And the last dream that is linked to healing, it is a dream where you see yourself floating on top of water, floating on top of the ocean, floating on top of a lake. You are not sinking. You are just being carried by that lake gently without sinking. When you see yourself sinking in a dream, it means that your own emotional baggage, your own emotional turmoil has overwhelmed you. But when you see yourself floating on top of water, it means that you have raised beyond your challenges. You have raised beyond the things that are meant to overload you, beyond the things that are meant to suffocate you. And that one, it is a sign of healing. That is everything that you need to know when it comes to the dreams that are linked to healing, and even the healing stages in your own life. Of all these dreams that I have mentioned, which one have you experienced? Let me know on the comment section.